Hi everyone. It is indeed a proud moment to welcome you today at our flagship event Converge, where retail tech is at the center of all conversations. I hope you are all as excited as I am to hear from leading technologists, global industry leaders, innovators, entrepreneurs and academics who will converge at this two-day immersive virtual tech event and share their wealth of knowledge and experience. These conversations will help us envision the future of retail, how tech is transforming the retail experience for customers, and helping us to build a long-lasting relationship by delighting them at every touch point and in every interaction we have with them. Walmart founder and one of the most admired entrepreneurs of the 21st century, Sam Walton, used to say, "The customer is always number one." In fact, one of our core values is service to the customer. At Walmart, we are in the constant pursuit of exploiting the best and latest technology to power an experiential, personalized shopping journey for our customers. What we do here is to turn our customers' retail fantasies into reality. And how do we make this possible? Let me take you through some of the ways in which we are innovating today to solve the problems of tomorrow. At Walmart, leveraging technology has led to a highly scalable e-commerce platform, digitally enhanced stores, an interconnected supply chain, an aligned, talented and productive workforce to support our operations, and most importantly, a delighted and happy customer base. Today, we have with us 4 senior technologists from our team in India who will talk to us about a few of these innovations. Please welcome Sumit Nigam, Director of Engineering from our Supply Chain Tech team.
Hi Hari.
Sumit, Walmart supply chain is probably the largest network because of the scale at which we function and the number of footfalls we have across the globe. We manage this scale by modernizing, consolidating and automating our fulfillment processes. What are some of the recent advances we have made in this area?
At Walmart, we realize that a great customer experience starts with a great associate experience. We are always trying to simplify day-to-day operations for our associates and deliver what they need to make their experiences more engaging and optimal. Me at Walmart is one such initiative, complements the overall goal of digitization of our stores. It's an all-in-one associate mobile app built in-house by Walmart Global Tech, and it converges 40 plus disparate mobile apps and provides personalization at an associate level. Me at Walmart enables us to onboard new apps and rollouts to the new geographies faster. To mention a few key features that it enables: voice-enabled item lookup and visual assistance of the precise item location. It saves time by letting associates ask questions to quickly locate merchandise and get answers for our customers. Associates can now clock in with the tap of a button once they arrive at their store, all done using geofencing technology. Ease of communication with the team through a simple push-to-talk feature. 4. A single window of receiving notifications and managing their task lists. In works are also the scanner features on the app to assist with an easy item identification and decision making through the use of augmented reality.
Building customer-grade experiences for our frontline associates must have required us to leverage multiple different technology elements. Tell us a little bit of the journey of how we developed and rolled out these new experiences for our associates.
Me at Walmart leverages best-in-class technology in mobile tech, distributed and scale-out computing, machine learning, augmented reality, and camera vision. This was only possible through a great collaboration between our product, technology, and design teams across locations here at Walmart Global Tech India as well as in the US. Beyond tech teams, multiple store associates have played a key role in giving us early feedback.
What is the impact we have seen since we implemented this tech? How has this changed our associates' level of engagement at the store?
The system usability scale, which is a measure of the usability of an app, is at a healthy score of 78. This is a testimony to the great success of the app with our associates in the stores. I would say this is a very intuitive app which helps the associates own their day.
Thanks, Sumit, for helping us understand about Me at Walmart. It's great to see how we are deploying tech to make our associates' lives easier every day and allowing them to spend more time taking care of our customers. Now, let's welcome our next technologist, Tushar Agarwal, Senior Architect from the Walmart International Tech Team.
Glad to see you, Hari. This is a great opportunity to join you at Converge today.
Tushar, tell us about one recent innovation that has made shopping easier for our customers in the international markets, especially at a time when we have all been impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic.
In the last 16 months, a lot has changed with the pandemic. But one thing that has not changed is our hunger to innovate at Walmart International. And I'd like to talk about one of our latest innovations for our Mexican customers. Imagine walking into a store and shopping. You pick the items from the shelves and technically your shopping is done. But then you have to take the items to the cashier, wait in the line. The cashier then takes all the items, scans them through the POS or the register. You swipe your credit card, you take the printed receipt and then you exit. It's a lot of contact and a lot of waiting time. For our customers at Sam's Club Mexico, we have a whole new experience which is zero contact and zero waiting time. They can now fire up their favorite Sam's Club app on Android or iOS, click on Scan and Go, which then detects the club they are in, and they can do contactless shopping with speed. Not only they can scan the items what they want to buy, they can see prices and promotions in the cart, and when they are ready, pay for the shopping, all on their own phone. We rolled it out a few weeks ago, and customers totally love it. We got great feedback from them.
That's terrific. I'm sure our customers are enjoying greater peace of mind with this new way of contactless shopping. Can you also share what kind of technology has gone behind this particular feature?
Building something simple to use is complex. Scan and Go is available to our customers and our associates alike. Our customers can use it to shop, and our associates can help our customers who are in need. We use cutting-edge technology like geofencing to identify which club the customer is in. We brought store's catalog to the customer's phone with real-time distributed NoSQL database. Now that helps to scan the items faster, and it also allows to function when there is little or no internet. The phone camera doubles up as a barcode scanner and is enhanced by the app to identify items quickly. Paperless receipts make it even more environment friendly. We are not stopping there. We are integrating with self-checkout registers and wireless credit card readers to give our customers even more options.
What makes it truly impactful and relevant is that it is touch-free, convenient, and environment-friendly. Tushar, what did it take to build Scan and Go?
The product discovery, development, and rollout were all done from here at Walmart Global Tech India, and we collaborated with multiple teams across US and Mexico. Our UX team in Mexico built a simple and easy experience, while our business partners, operations teams, and store staff helped us test the app daily at stores, giving us valuable feedback. We also got a lot of inputs from UK and US Scan and Go teams. The result was that we took the solution from a 5-store pilot to hold the chain under 12 weeks. Usain Bolt is the brand ambassador for Scan and Go, and he truly symbolizes the essence of the product.
Thank you so much, Tushar.
Muchas gracias, Hari.
Next, we have Krishnakant Annamraju from the Walmart Health and Wellness team.
Nice to see you, Hari. Delighted to join you and everyone watching this Converge event today.
As we all are very well aware, technology has been the biggest lever in helping us fight the COVID-19 pandemic worldwide. At Walmart US, our priority has been to ensure that people across communities go through an easy and hassle-free vaccination process with minimal risk. Krishnakant, tell us how our health and wellness business has been working towards this.
The world has been in the grip of a pandemic for the last year or so. Vaccination programs are perceived as one of the key ability to put an end to it. Walmart, with its wide presence in the US pharmacy space, is collaborating with various agencies to help with the overall vaccination program. As a part of this effort, we built a vaccination scheduling system, which can help both the customer and the associate at the stores in a short period of time. The application is focused on 4 major areas. One is customer presence, making sure the customer is an ability to choose his preferred choice of Walmart pharmacy and a convenient time for his vaccination. The second thing we focus on is the ease for the customer. The customer should be able to schedule his vaccinations by more than one means, by an online means or walking into the store, and also have an ability to make changes to the scheduled appointments, either rescheduling them or cancelling them. The other well-rounded approach which we looked at is effective communication. The ability to remind a customer about his forthcoming appointments and also about subsequent doses was one of the important things. The last thing which we focused on was how do we reduce wait times at the store. The ability to provide additional details like insurance or pre-filling his health questionnaire at the time of booking was helping us do that. To handle this rapid immunization program, the application needed to ease the associate experience at the store as well. By enabling certain aspects of the process to be done, which are usually done at the store, to be completed before the customer had walked in, the associate could focus more on the customer than on the process. This resulted in a faster turnaround times at the store.
Immunizing hundreds of thousands of people across the country and to scale systems quickly to match the demand must have been a challenge. How did our teams collaborate to make this mammoth task possible? How are we also accommodating the constant changes in the vaccination scenario and other technical challenges?
Considering this product is supported across the US stores and even in Puerto Rico, we needed some strong collaboration across various teams who have helped us build it. In terms of business, the product, the engineering teams, they were working out at different locations, different time zones, but the collaboration was important. The project also had a sizable contribution from teams which are well and outside the health and wellness space too. From a technical perspective, I think there are major areas which we needed to focus on. The first one was to be nimble and highly optimized, because the demography of the customers being eligible or the availability of the vaccine was a very changing pattern on a regular basis. The system needed to be resilient to surge traffic in a sense where when new slots were released, you could see a huge traffic flowing, and we needed to be focused on that. Security focus, one of the things which we were focused on really in preventing bots from overwhelming the system or maintaining data security standards, where we're using an end-to-end encryption of both data transit about and storage, and above and over the authorization and authentication systems we built in. As an application, this needed to be round the clock. So we needed additional safety nets to minimize customer impact due to the varying availability of our store systems. They could be due to maintenance or unexpected downtimes, but we had to cater to that.
Thanks, Krishnakant, to you and the team. I think it's fair to say that the team played a key role in ensuring the rollout of the vaccination program in a timely manner to keep people safe during the pandemic. And now, we have Sid Patnaik, distinguished engineer from the Sam's Club tech team.
Hi Hari, happy to see you in person and glad to be part of Converge.
Hi Sid. Sam's Club, our membership warehouse club, has been a pioneer in implementing some of the latest technologies in retail to make shopping easier and convenient for our members. Tell us, what are we doing in this space?
Sam's US e-commerce business has been growing rapidly. To unlock the next phase of hypergrowth, we are building a cloud-native, massively scalable e-commerce platform. The platform is built using loosely coupled microservices which are optimized for cloud scale. The services are truly elastic and they scale up and down based on the load. We run multiple events throughout the year, and the elasticity helps us in controlling the cost as we pay based on what we actually use. Our services are resilient to failures, and we follow design patterns like circuit breakers and bulkheads. Our services are deployed into multiple regions in active mode across US to achieve high availability for our customers. We practice chaos engineering. We inject faults explicitly to make sure that the system is able to perform and recover as expected. Our code is continuously built, tested, and deployed using automated pipelines. This helps in deploying code to production multiple times a day, and also that helps in delivering features to customers faster.
A scalable cloud-native platform is indeed the need of the hour to match the demands of our members and the growth of our business. Tell us about some of the recent innovations we have done in Sam's.
We are doing a lot of innovations in the supply chain area and completely reimagining how the fulfillment centers of the future would look like. If you look at today's FCs, they are built in a manner that requires a lot of human intervention. We are trying to automate each of these labor-intensive tasks using AI, ML, and robotics. Some of the innovations that recently we have done in this space are automated picking using robots, packing visualization using our patented 3D technology, and automated packing where a carton is cut in real time to the exact dimensions of the packages to be shipped. Another innovation that we have recently done is called as Breeze Buy. This is to improve the shopping convenience at our stores. Earlier, buying and picking up of heavy and bulky items like refrigerators, washing machines used to be a painful process. We have removed all that friction now. The members can open their Sam's Club mobile app, scan the barcode, choose the delivery option as shipped to home, and complete the checkout process.
Wow, Breeze Buy does sound very cool indeed. I'm sure it'll be a big hit with our members. Thanks so much, Sid. Thank you everyone for these insights into some of the revolutionary ways of how we are serving customers, enabling our associates, and enhancing our business operations worldwide. And it has been wonderful to sit with you here in the office after ages and talk some tech.
I can vouch for that. In the 20-odd international markets that we operate, we are innovating continuously to make shopping more convenient for our customers every day. Thank you again for inviting us to speak at Converge.
True, Tushar. We are able to roll out all these technology advancements and innovations because of our global, amazing, high-performing teams that we have across the globe. I'm really proud of them. It's an amazing experience to be with you all and taking part of this discussion.
Likewise, Hari, Tushar, Sid, and Sumit. I think healthcare is on top of all of our minds today. The way we are leveraging technology is one of our biggest tools in fighting COVID and putting an end to it. With the innovation in the healthcare, I think it is great way we are helping our customers in Walmart.
Rightly said, Krishnakant. Technology is the lever, but our people will always remain a competitive advantage. Using technology to simplify day-to-day operations for our associates will help us serve our customers better. And I must say, meeting with all of you today in person at Converge has been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you again, Tushar, Sid, Krishnakant, and Sumit. It was great catching up with you here today, and thanks for a great conversation. This is truly an amalgamation of technology, creativity, imagination, and innovation, all of which converges to pave the way to a new future of retail at Walmart. And our associates here and all over the world are the nexus of our tech excellence. Thank you for being here with us at Converge, and sit tight for the next session.